Yeah, you like to lean into that side. I'm noticing a lot of that. Okay. There it goes. Is it? Gotcha. That's it. Now that moves just fine. Okay, gently put you down. Let's go the other side. Oh, all right, let me back off. Feel the spasm there? I mean, that's been like, that's really held tight there.
Any idea of?
It's the rotation of the spine. Look at that. I can sit here and say, don't do that, but you're in control, so. Yeah. I'm hesitant to tell people. You're your world's best expert of your body. It's coming out. It's just taking me a little bit. It's down in the middle of the neck. I'm not going to adjust this level because there's a disc here, but I'm just going to gently try to see if that joint won't. Anything pinching the arm? Okay. Yeah. Any dizziness or vertigo as I did any of that? No nausea? Okay, chin up for me. Hey guys, if you didn't know already, we released our brand new roller. If you pay close attention, you'll see it in the background of every single one of my videos. Shaped and designed by yours truly, it's made to get in those tough to reach areas. Go check the link in my bio to visit our official merch website. Perfect, there's the joint. There it goes. Anything zing down the arm?
No.
Chin up, look up, look up, look up. I'm gonna get a little deeper now. I got you though. You're flexible. There it is. A little bit more. So that's just that upper joint.
Okay.
I didn't run it down the neck. Okay. If I did, I run risking those roots.
Yeah, let's not risk it.
Yeah, no. So I'm just doing a little, I'm not down the neck.
Yeah.
You understand? I'm just going for that top one.
Okay.
So it's not as eventful, but it's needed, okay? Chin up, look up, look up. I got you. Right here. Well, we got two there. You okay? Good. Let's see how well this moves now. Chin up. Better, but see how your lower neck still wants to go more than the upper. Way better though, look at that. We'll get there. It's just this upper segment has not been used. It needed the adjustment to get you past that. It will help you get past that point.
And and when you say not has been used, like
so that it doesn't move very well.
Okay.
Look at this guy here. Look at this one. I mean, look at that thing. You're using all of your forces into the middle of your neck. Look at how much that moves. It's doing too much. Did that hurt? Did any of that hurt?
No.
No, it's just oscillation. It's just vibration through a joint. Sending it through the joint where it hasn't had any motion. It's because it's been so busy holding up your head. Okay? I'm checking weight distribution here. Nice. Nice working on a yogi. Everything moves. You're still there. See how that's a little locked? Tiny bit. See how that one kind of floats? I'm going to come over here. I'm going to rock the talus under. Perfect. Okay, just a little pop. Anything in the low back? Okay. Anything in the low back here? Okay. Just testing. All right, come on up and see how it feels. I've got to flip you over. Just kind of sit. You're going to sit here. We're going to test it again. This is just a baby move, what we just did.
Gotcha.
Okay, I'm taking you one step at a time. Just take it right and left. Is it still pulling as much, or is it any better?
It feels much better.
Now take it to the left. Still pulling over here?
No, I feel the tightness
in the shoulder,
but not
right.
But my neck doesn't feel like it did when I turn my head. There isn't
that pull.
Yeah.
Still haven't done these, but good. Seeing which way spine goes here for sure. I'm pretty sure it's over here on the left. Ooh, you're stuck here. Not here. This feels great. But right there. Oh, you gotta. Okay, I'm gonna correct this one first. Okay. All right, right there. Take a deep breath in. Oh man. Okay, go ahead, breathe. I'm gonna go for this one. Right there. Deep breath in. Look at that. Go. Okay, breathe. Yeah, they're just a few stuck ones. Don't worry, we'll get them. Go here, same thing. Good. Perfect.
Is that me?
Yeah. I'm snapping my finger. No. See, look, I'll grab the skin. Sorry if I pull on anything. Okay, and then they stop popping once you free them up. Okay. It's just tight. Can he go? Okay, here we go. I'm gonna push. Anything going down into your arm?
Not into the arm, no. I definitely feel you in there,
But no. I mean,
not in the arm.
I'm right on that nerve right here. Right there. This arm behind your back for me. Good. Okay, breathe. Nothing went down your arm, right? Here we go. There it goes. anything in the arm here. How about when I do this? Again, nerve is right there. Okay? I'm just to the side of it. There it goes. There's nothing really over on that side. Your body's put like a callus in there. I'm just checking, making sure that's not pinching that nerve there, because there's a nerve under there. Feel that? That's a...
Yeah.
I don't want to make that worse either, so you gotta let me know.
Yeah.
There it goes.
Like I said, I don't feel anything in the arm, definitely in the shoulder, but...
Yeah, just where I'm pushing is fine.
Exactly.
Okay, up into the neck here. Let's get the skull. Create my own asana names here. This is Kaput Asana. Stretching the skull pose. There's the whole kinds of things that just because we don't have the tools to measure it doesn't mean it doesn't exist. It doesn't exist until they say it does. Yeah, we know. It's so small we can't detect it. This is called the 3 T's: toxins, trauma, and thoughts. That's a chiropractic woo-woo stuff. Toxins that you put in, toxins that you create, trauma, and thoughts. Chiropractors are America's answer to, you know, the more esoteric type medicine. Ooh, stuff is popping and cracking though, even just me doing this. Pretty good. Nice. Perfect. Okay. I'm gonna get my little scraper out. I'm gonna nitpick it some more.
Interesting.
Sometimes opening requires something to contract. Especially in here. That's the scraping, okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm like, it feels like you ripped this.
It was just weird because, it went for weeks, and I was like, something...
Yeah, 6 weeks. 6 to 8 weeks for something to heal. Okay. Tissue takes 6 to 8 weeks. You said a month?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it very much could have been longer.
Maybe. I'm just breaking it all up. Open. I'm opening. Now, like I said, if you sleep twisted,
Yeah.
I can't do anything about that one.
That's fair.
Okay.
I'll do my best to sleep on my
It just really, it's the twist in the neck. The turning the head from side to side. Either side to side or left to right. You understand that, the stretching of this.
Got it.
If you could sleep like this, it would be great. You see what I'm saying? You can sleep on your stomach, but you gotta have a space for to breathe.
Yeah.
Usually people's arms get compressed though. Gotta be careful on these too. Yeah, that's where I get caught, you know. Tissue gets caught there. And I don't think this is recent. This feels old.
Yeah.
This is an old injury. This doesn't get here overnight.
It's so weird because I can't pinpoint a moment where I've either felt like I've torn something or...
But see, things can get sprained. They call it a sprained strain. This is why I say be very careful how you sleep after this. I'm almost certain that's what happened.
Okay.
I'm almost positive. The whole thing.
Wow.
So it's really not bad.
Yeah.
Can't zoom. With the gloves. Yeah, right here. I tried to put oil in there, but
Definitely not the hair. I feel.
she's like, I could care less about. Oh, my family, my hair, my hair. You see, that's a funny one to get. I have to like rest you here and do that. Is that still going into your hand?
Not anymore.
I'm trying not to.
No.
So you know that's really out. Okay, that's all I have to do. Other side. Run it up. All right, on your back. Yeah. This is the pubic symphysis. So we did the back part of the pelvis. This is the front part of the pelvis.
Okay.
That's it. Now close the other way. Squeeze. There's one. Yep. Oh, I was trying to get the side, but squeeze again. I don't think I'm strong enough. Sorry. No, that's all I got on that side. And again. There it is. I just have to reset it.
Oh.
Told you you're developed there. I had to push through all that.
That felt really good.
There you go. All right, and lean away. They're already separating. Just a tiny bit there. Okay, that's all that is.
Oh, that was it?
Mm-hmm.
No, that wasn't bad.
No, you're not that stuck. Lean away. Oh, this side's a little bit more. There we go. Good. Nope, nothing on the top. Okay. Use that as an anchor. Roll up a little bit. I aimed a little too low. Yeah, and now head back. And now open up your chest. See if you can't open this. Bend your knees for me. Take the pressure out of the low back. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, like you can even keep it like that if you wanted. Do that.
Wow, that's great. I'm starting to feel it now.
Okay, bring your arms down. No, we're gonna get off of it.
down.
You're gonna roll to the side.
Roll this side.
Yep, but that was a good 10 minutes. So that was pretty good. Is it still in the hand?
No, it's coming out now.
Don't let it. It's not gonna linger unless you whack it.
Got it.
You know what I mean? Like you give yourself like a Charlie horse.
Yeah, there
or
have been
something.
times where I've been in, where we're like in Savasana or I'm in Supta Baddha and I'll do this and then I'll feel it in the hands and then I'll just bring the hands by the side.
So if you can do that for 10 minutes, I think you're gonna be okay. I think you'll live. Okay.
I think you'll be alright.
I think you're gonna live.